What's the meaning of Banbury? Banbury. Banbury.
Banbury. Banbury. Banbury is a market town located in the Cherwell district of Oxfordshire, England. The name Banbury is believed to have originated from the Old English words banna and ba, meaning Ban's stronghold or Ban's town. Banbury has a rich history dating back to the Roman period, and was an important center for the wool trade during the medieval period. Today, Banbury is known for its lively market, picturesque canal-side walks, and historic landmarks such as the Banbury Cross and St. Mary's Church. It is also home to various industries, including motor parts manufacturing and food processing.